lahat ng mga ginagawa natin may consequence. Ngayon, kung magdurusa ka sa consequence na yun,
And we would like to invite everybody to be present. Since also it's our last day, I hope the class will be complete. Because number one, we're going to have a picture taking, of course, with your class. And then with the whole hapag-lycom, yung mga different tracks and classmates. And then second, it's our chance also to meet everyone. No? Kasi nami-meet lang natin every time yung mga kaklase natin. So it's really expanding also no? Yung ating mga relationships no? With other parishes. So what will happen on the day, we'll start at, sabi natin, hopefully 11:30, kaya lang mukhang very interesting pa rin yung class. I don't know what time your class will finish. Pero we're targeting sana earlier to start the class kasi there will still be afternoon class. So,
Sige lang, we'll try to finish at 11:30.
Ayan, 11:30 po. So, yun lang.
Anyway, hindi pa naman kami pupunta sa langit at all. Okay na yan.
Ayan. And then, regarding the food, before the food, kasi yun siguro yung pag-uusapan ninyo.
cute na ito si Pope Francis eh. Si Pope Francis, dumalaw sa kulungan, sa prison. Nung siya ay bishop pa ng lahat naman tayo mahina. Yun ang tanggapin natin. Yun. Sabi noong isang theologian na kanyang pangalan ay si Pannenberg, sabi niya, original sin. So sa work pa lang, 200,000. Pero sa age, 2.2. Now you imagine, Incosit is just one. You talk about 22 million infants or 7,000 babies. Nasa South Africa yan, hindi ko man kilala yan. Nabasa ko lang yan sa internet. Pero ito is closer to Francis is my nephew. Yung tinatawag yung kasalanan ng anak. Ano bang naging kasalanan niya? Hindi naman sexually promiscuous yung bata na nagkakaroon ng HIV sa kanyang pagsilang. So, all throughout his life, he was... So, Genesis does not contrast the way things are with the way they once were. Genesis, yung 3, does not contrast between the way we are and the way we once were. Hindi yung us, huwag kang lumingon. Paano humitid? Kasi yung nakikita mo sa bahay mo, ay pinicturean niya. Tapos umalis siya. Nanalo yung picture na ito.